California Kibitza with Stahl's TV. Glitters, metallics, rhinestones. These bling finishes have been adding sparkle to garments for years and wowing your customers. And they've made their way into the blank apparel market as well. Today, we're going to look at a variety of bling blanks that are on the marketplace today and how we can decorate them with heat-applied graphics. Let's head over to the heat press and take a look. For our first design, we're going to add a metallic and glitter finish to a garment decorated with rhinestones. This particular garment is available from Sanmar and has rhinestones down the shoulders. It adds a pop of luxury and bling to this garment and a bit of metallic as well. To decorate it, we want to make sure the rhinestones are off of the heat press. So I'm using an 11 by 15 platen, which will allow me to thread my garment and make sure the rhinestones all fall off for my application so they don't get into the way and cause inaccurate pressure on my heat transfer. I'll preheat to remove some of the moisture and wrinkles just for a few seconds. And then line up my graphics. For this design, I'm mixing metallics and glitter to add a unique multicolored design. I'm going to apply my glitter heat transfer first and use both of them to line them up correctly onto the garment. Once I ensure that everything is centered, I can separate the two layers and tack down my glitter flake heat transfer. Glitter flake normally applies at 300 degrees for 10 to 15 seconds. Since I'm doing two applications here, I'm just going to tack it down for 5 seconds for the initial application. I'll overlay my second color, which is fashion film, in a metallic silver shade. The tone-on-tone adds a different element to the garment and also allows us to customize more for our company. Because I'm mixing and matching the two finishes, I want to make sure to cover my glitter flake and apply it for the recommended application for fashion film, which is 15 seconds at 320 degrees. Peel back the carrier and we have a completed look. For our second garment, we're going to be decorating a glitter t-shirt from J America. This garment has glitter threads sewn throughout the entire garment and truly makes the garment sparkle in your designs. For this specific design, I need to rotate my 11 by 15 platen to fit the entire heat transfer. Once I have my platen rotated, I can load my garment on by splitting it and threading it onto the Fusion heat press. I'll preheat to remove some of the moisture and wrinkles, and then line out my glitter heat transfers. For these designs, I'm creating a mixed media look with a lace glitter transfer mixed with rhinestones, and then personalizing it for a dance school or a mom or anything like that. This is just a stock transfer that's available from the Wild side, and then we're personalizing it with a matching color of Cad-Cut glitter flake. Since the two apply at the same temperature, I can mix and match the two for one easy application. I'll go ahead and apply them for 320 degrees for 10 seconds. Peel back the two carriers, and I have a completed bling design that truly sparkles. The silver in the garment brings out the silver in the glitter flake and in the lace transfer. For our final design, we'll look at one more glitter garment that's actually a tank top. This particular garment is available from Sanmar as well. It's a razorback tank with a glitter gold metallic finish to it. For this, I'm going to rotate my 11 by 15 back for my next design and load my garment on. Preheat to remove any moisture and wrinkles. I can line up my next transfer. This transfer is actually a spangle transfer available from the Wild side, so it'll pick up any color that I add to it. Again, this is just another stock transfer, and I'm personalizing it with a fluorescent shade of glitter flake. Because the two don't directly overlap, again, I'm just going to go ahead and line up my glitter transfer with this design. I'll apply them all for one fast, easy step at 320 degrees for 10 seconds. And peel back my carriers. Now we have a completed design, perfect for any Greek, spirit, or school design. Dazzle your customers with bling finishes and sparkle t-shirts. I'm Courtney Kibitza with Stalls TV. Thanks for watching.